The Honor Magic 7 Pro smartphone arrives today in Europe, sporting Qualcomm's latest flagship chipset and a novel 200-megapixel 3x periscopic telephoto camera. The Honor Magic 7 Pro arrived in China late last year but made its international debut today in the United Kingdom and numerous European countries. However, like other Honor devices, a United States launch remains unlikely, not that Americans cannot track the phone down through unofficial sources. Simmyideas viewers will be familiar with Honor smartphones via previous reviews, including one for the Honor Magic 6 Pro, which Ted Critzoni's called a quality smartphone with a camera array built to make the case that it has the goods to be among the best. Taking the competition to the upcoming Galaxy S25 Ultra, the Magic 7 Pro is a top-of-the-line phone with flagship chipset, hundreds of megapixels of cameras, and great durability. However, it's not the exact same Magic 7 Pro that launched in China. This one has a comparatively smaller battery but the same silicon-carbon battery tech, so you can still expect it to last long on a single charge. The Honor Magic 7 Pro features a 6.8-inch LTPO OLED display with a peak brightness of 1,600 nits and 5,000 nits of peak brightness for HDR-supported content. The screen supports a 120 Hz refresh rate, Dolby Vision certification, and a 4,320 Hz PWM dimming frequency, all protected by Honor's proprietary nanocrystal shield. If the Magic 6 Pro is any indication, you can expect an enjoyable content consumption experience. Like its predecessor, the Magic 7 Pro sports a fascinating camera system. The triple camera array has a 50-megapixel main camera with a variable f/1.4-2 aperture and type 1/1.3 sensor. Alongside this primary imager, the phone has a 50-megapixel f/2 ultra-wide camera, 12mm equivalent, with a type January 2nd, 88 sensor. The most interesting camera of the bunch is the 200-megapixel 3x optical zoom periscopic telephoto camera. The 200-megapixel type 1/1.4 sensor is paired with a 69mm f/2.6 equivalent lens and includes PDAF and optical image stabilization. Honor is no stranger to throwing a bunch of pixels at its telephoto camera system. The Magic 6 Pro packed a punch too, albeit with a 180-megapixel type January 1st, 49 sensor and 2.5x lens. With all those pixels at its disposal, the Honor Magic 7 Pro's telephoto camera offers up to 100x digital zoom, which relies upon artificial intelligence, AI, for additional clarity. AI also finds its way into additional photo features, including through AI-enhanced portraits. AI is everywhere in the Honor Magic 7 Pro, including within a new deepfake detection feature. This on-device tool uses AI to scour video calls for evidence of deepfake subterfuge. That's right, Honor's latest flagship phone claims that it can detect when the user is chatting with a fraud. Other notable features include a 6.8-inch LTPO OLED display with a swift 120 Hz refresh rate and Dolby Vision HDR support, the new Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, which is also seen in the new OnePlus 13, 80-watt wireless charging, and gargantuan 6,600 mAh battery. Honor says the big battery supports up to 3 days of runtime. Pricing and availability. The Honor Magic 7 Pro doesn't come cheap. It will be available in the UK for £1,099.99 and in Europe for €1,299.99. Customers purchasing the new flagship through Honor's UK store can claim a free Magic Pad 2, worth £499.99 for a limited time. For the latest tech news and reviews, follow Simmyideas Tech Hub on X, Facebook, WhatsApp, Threads, and Google News. For the latest videos on gadgets and tech, subscribe to our YouTube channel.